Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to clean up data before bulk deleting in Copper CRM. All right. Before performing a bulk delete, it is highly recommended that you export your data first. And then once you have your backup, let's go ahead and continue. Now, what you'll do is go ahead and filter your specific record. Okay. For example, it could be a people, leads right here, or company. It doesn't matter. Just make sure to filter everything out. Click on the filter icon right here. You could go ahead and filter, like if you want to remove contacts not contacted in over a year, or removing contacts without email address, or even cleaning up old opportunities and some other options. Okay. Let's say, for example, we have the activity type. Click on the drop down and you can go ahead and add in the activity type. Okay. Or maybe, let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in a record. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and add in one person without email. I'm just going to go ahead and name this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. I'm going to hit on save. There you go. It's added. So again, let's filter it out. Maybe email right here. Click on this drop down. Match any. Okay. Domain with no value. Select it. Hit on apply. There you go. This one doesn't got any emails, so it's now filtered out. So what you'll do is just click on this icon besides the record name. Okay, so all records right here that doesn't got email will be selected. So what you'll do is just click on the three dots at the top and then just click on delete. There'll be a pop-up, click on delete. And then once done, you're good to go. Again, you can do this one however you like. Just click on filters, filter everything out. And then once done, select all and then go to the top, click on delete, and you're good to go. That is how you clean up data before performing a bulk delete here in Copper CRM. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.